Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. So part 2 of the form 2 finance revision. So earlier on the video got stuck somehow, so I'll just continue with this part. Alright, so for question B here, how do I know if this is a right angle triangle, right? So use the smaller two lines, add up the squares of them. So 5 square plus 6 square, what do you get? 25 plus 36. 25 plus 36, 61. And then also check the longer line square. 8 square. 8 square is 64. Are they the same? No, they are not the same. If they are not the same, is this a right angle triangle? Not. So the question is asking which of the following triangles is not. So not, ये तो already थे, हमें ये वाले नहीं चाहिए, हमें चाहिए जिसका same नहीं है, not. So the ones that does not have the same. So the answer will be B. So obviously exams you might not have same exact questions, it will be different, it's always different. Also check D. हो सकता है इससे ज़्यादा answer हो. So the smaller two lines squares it up and then sum it. So 3 square plus 4 square, you can get it as 9 plus 16, 25. And then also check with the longer line, square it up. What do you get? 5 square is 5 times 5, which is 25. Are they the same? Yes. If they are same, they are right angle triangle, and you can put the right angle symbol there. Okay, easy? Good. Next, how can I find theta? Theta means the angle here from this expression. Now I just need the theta. I don't need the cosine. Then how do I find it? If you don't want the sin, cos, tan, then you click shift. Shift in your calculator and you should be able to get it as, let me see if I can show the what do I say, camera. Where's the camera? Here. So you click shift cosine 17 over 30. Was it the question? I forgot actually. So shift cosine whatever you have, click execute, and that should be your answer, 55.5, because you need to round up only 3 sig fig. Alright, now because I was just finishing my lunch. Okay, I'm so sorry guys, it's just me. I can always be like this. So you click shift cosine 17 over 30, you will get your theta as 55.5 degrees. Don't forget the degree sign when you're finding the theta. Okay, cool enough? Next. Too easy guys. Just click this in calculator and what do you get? You should be able to get it as 0.6, because I don't want to explain these kinds of questions. We don't have that much time. Oh, continue. Cosine, the letter C. Cosine theta, so you draw the letter C among it. Remember? So this is your theta here. The line facing the theta is called the opposite line. The line facing the right angle is called the hypotenuse line. And what is left? The left one is called adjacent line. And then remember, so ka twa. Since we are finding cosine theta. So for cosine, we need A and H. So A line and the H line. That's why I was drawing the letter C there. But A first and then the H. So A क्या है? Adjacent line क्या है? B. So it will be B over hypotenuse line C. So that will be your answer, B over C. No need to do further calculation or कुछ नहीं click करना है, because first of all numbers भी नहीं है, there's no numbers here, And you're not even finding theta, you're just finding cosine theta. It's the whole expression. Okay, Yata? Cool. Next. So again, triangle है हमारे पास, we have angles, we have lines. We will always think of so ka twa. Alright, whenever you have 90 degrees, angle mention हो, lines हो, ये सोचना पड़ेगा. So ka twa. Now which side is which? Your angle is here. The line facing the angle is called opposite. The line facing the right angle is called hypotenuse. And what is left? Adjacent. So is bar, this time the value is given on the adjacent line and the hypotenuse line. Adjacent or hypotenuse किस में आता है? Which one has adjacent and hypotenuse? The letter C, cosine. So how do we write it? तो फिर कैसे लिखेंगे? So we write it as cosine angle equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. अब इसको calculation 7 here is divided. ये नीचे है division हो रहा है. If I move it to the other side, we will multiply it. Okay, अब x ढूंढना है. 7 times cosine 44. Click calculator. You should be able to get it as 5.04. And of course, make it a habit कि x को put it on left side. So 5.04. Cool? Because you need 3 sig fig. How? Next question is just testing your calculator skills. So how do we click this in calculator? 15, just click calculator, over cosine 54, close bracket, minus 15 over sine 66, close bracket. Alright, so कैसे? 15 over cosine 54, bracket close करना calculator में, and then minus 15 over sine 66, again close the bracket. And you should be able to get your answer as E. It's so ugly number, miss. How do I turn this? I only need 3 sig fig. Right? But next number is big. So 09 को अगला number क्या आएगा? 10. So it will be 9.10. 9.10. Too easy, right? If it's too easy, can we continue with the next one? How can we find the area of a triangle? Area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. Alright, so base times height divided by 2. Which one is base and which one is height? Base is this and the height is this. So that means आपको ये भी line ढूंढनी है और ये भी line ढूंढनी है. Because ये दोनों lines होंगी तभी आपको area मिलेगा. Area is इन दोनों lines को times करके divide by 2 करना है. Okay? How do we do it? So again, you have angle, सामने वाली line, opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. So ka twa. So पहले हमें opposite ढूंढनी है, hypotenuse given है. So we need to find the opposite line, and we already have the hypotenuse line. So O and H किस में आता है? With the sign. So we write sine 55 equals to opposite line AB over hypotenuse line 12. AB ka we don't have value here, so we just write AB. This one we have the value, so we write that. Okay? So if you have the value, you can write that. And then 12 here is divided, goes to the other side, it becomes times. And then please click that in calculator. You should be able to get it as, write a little longer, it's fine. That's very ugly answer, but yeah. 9.8298. Alright, just a little longer is fine. And then सिर्फ ये line तो नहीं ढूंढनी, we don't just need to find opposite, we also need to find the adjacent. So which one has A and H? A और H किस में है? Cosine में. So we write cosine angle. Cosine your angle equals to A. Adjacent line is BC over 12. And the 12 goes there. You should be getting the answer as, and then just click the answer. You should be just a little different, 6.8829. So abhi aapke paas, now you have AB line, you have the BC line, right? How do we find the area? Area is base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. So what is base? BC. So area is base times height divided by 2. So जो आपने ढूंढे दोनों times height divided by 2. Alright. And then just click calculator. 82982 and then divided by 2. You should be able to get it as 33.8. Alright, in the end 3 sig fig karna hai in the end. Okay, so 3 sig fig. Okay, good. Next, how do I know if something is right circular cylinder? For cylinder, it has to be round shape, of course, and right means ऊपर नीचे same होना चाहिए. So, and it has to be straight. Alright. अब ये वाला जो है, this one, the first one, it's going like this. It won't be straight anymore. ये same नहीं रहेगा ऊपर और नीचे. ऊपर छोटा है, नीचे बड़ा है. So this is not correct. As for this one, इधर नीचे line से, this is not a circle anymore, so this is also wrong. How about this one and this one? Which one is the correct one? The correct one is C, because yellow side or yellow side same and the बाकी सारा circular. As for this one, ये टेढ़ा हो रहा है, so it's not right. Cool. And then at the same time, okay, यहाँ पे आपको already given it. This is a right circular cylinder. Make sure this is the right circular cylinder. See, it's the same thing. So agar if I cut from the middle, then what shape do you get from that part? From that part, you will get the shape of a rectangle. Alright? You won't get a circle, because circle, if you cut from here, then you get a circle. But agar middle se काटोगे, तो आपको rectangle मिलेगा. Continue. And then, how do we find area of a cylinder? Area of a cylinder is area of curved surface area. Why am I saying curved surface area? Because I need to have the wet surface. Then you write wet is also fine. Wet surface. So is glass में, where is the water? Where is the water in this glass? So glass यहाँ पे touch हो रहा है, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. So for that glass, which parts are already wet? And I need to know those wet parts only. So how do we calculate that? So we will calculate it as circular curved one first, and then also add up one circle at the bottom. So it will be 2 pi RH, and also a radius, a circle at the bottom. So height तो हमारे पास है, we have the height 8. How about the radius? Radius, how do I find that? Because 24 is the whole length. Whole length is called diameter. So radius will be 12. So you replace it, 2 pi r h plus pi r square. That's pi r square. Okay. And then click this in calculator. What do you get? you should be able to get the answer as, let me click, 2 times 12 times 8 plus 12 square. 336 pi. Do I need to click the pi or not? It depends on your options actually. So if your options, they're asking you for in terms of pi, you don't need to click it. If you're not asking for in terms of pi, then you need to click it. Okay, so this question is most probably in terms of pi's. Okay, so you just leave it this 33.6 pi. How? Agla. Next. Anything common on the top? Anything that they both have it? दोनों में कुछ ऐसा है जो दोनों के पास है? Yes, they have the b. So you take out the b. What is left? अगर b निकाल लिया पीछे क्या बचता है? X minus 4y. How about the bottom? कुछ है जो दोनों के पास है? B again. So you take out the B. Anything else? Even the numbers. So both of these numbers, they can be divided by 2. So what is left? X minus 4y. इसके बाद just simplify. ये same, cut out हो गया. ये same, cut out. What is left? Only 1 over 2 बचता है. जो भी same है, you can cut it out. Cool? Next. If you think I am too fast, obviously you need to stop it and then go back and then re-watch it. Hola, अब ये कैसे करें? Always do, I will suggest to do the easier sides first. Easier sides is expansion most of the time. So वो वाला पहले कर लें and then check. So अगर हमें brackets खोलना हो, if I need to open up the brackets here, how do I do it? The 3 goes here, the 3 also goes here. So 3a minus b. So 3 times a first, 3a. 3 times negative b, negative 3b. जब इसको खोला, when I open up, are they the same? No, they are not the same. If they are not the same, this is wrong. Okay? Check the next one as well. Okay, let's check question, this one first. Oh, मैं यहाँ पे गलत लिखा है, this should be B. Oh, अगर ये इधर जाए, ये इधर भी जाए. 3 times 2, 6a. 3 times b, 3b. Are they the same? Yes, they are the same, so it will be correct. How about पहले वाला? Negative 3 times 2, click calculator. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6a. And then negative 3b. Are they the same? No. No, also no. Because negative becomes positive. Okay, cool. Next, how do I know which one is which? So, इसके लिए आपको बहुत careful होना पड़ेगा x और y कहाँ पे हैं. So, x जो है e के ऊपर है और e किसके साथ same होगा? E will be same as b. So, what is b having? E will also have that. So, if b is having 60, e will also have 60. So, x is also 60. How about for the y? Y is at angle F. Angle F is same as angle A. Be careful, it's angle A. So angle A के साथ same होगा. F और A दोनों पहले पहले आते हैं. So if A is 100, Y is also 100. Cool? Be careful in. So how about C? C किसके साथ same होता है? H के साथ. C or H आपस में same होते हैं. So that will be 66. And then D will be same as G. So they too are 133. Good? Then let's continue. How do I know which is correct? So now मुझे पता है कि दोनों triangles बिल्कुल same लग रही है. They both look exactly the same. They are the same. We call it congruent triangles. Now how do I know how many reasons we have for congruent? Psi, angle, psi, 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 angle, psi, angle, 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 psi, RHS. What is RHS? ये पांचों reasons, all 5 reasons you need to. So गाना जब गाते हैं Do we have SSA in the song? Sine, angle, sine, 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 angle, sine, angle, 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 sine. ये तो आता ही नहीं. So at least we know 50-50 chance that this is impossible. Now check. अब इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? ये पीछे तो चलो सेम है. कौन सा एंगल किसकी तरह सेम होगा? Which angle will be same as which? Between 7 and 11, it's B. Between 7 and 11, it's F. So that means B and F will be same. So B और F आपस में same होंगे. Okay, B and F आपस में same होंगे. इसका देखिए B middle में आते हैं. This one B is also in the middle. And then B has to be same as F. So F has to be in the middle as well. F has to be in the middle as well. Is the F middle in question B? No, so that's wrong. So answer is D. Okay, so I'm stopping the video here and then I'll continue next few questions in next part. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.